Unlock Word's hidden power to automatically transform your plain text URLs into clickable hyperlinks, boosting your productivity and document functionality. First, open Microsoft Word and navigate to the File tab in the top left corner of your screen. From the File menu, select Options, which is usually located at the very bottom of the left-hand pane. This will open the Word Options dialog box on the left-hand side. Click on Proofing. Within the Proofing section, you'll see a button labeled AutoCorrect Options. Click on it. Now, the AutoCorrect dialog box will appear. Make sure you are on the auto format as you type tab. Look for the option that says Internet and Network Paths with Hyperlinks and ensure its checkbox is ticked. If it's already checked, great. If not, simply click the box to enable it. After confirming this setting, click OK to close the AutoCorrect dialog box. Finally, click OK again in the Word Options dialog box to save all your changes. And just like that, whenever you type or paste a URL into your Word document, it will instantly convert into a clickable hyperlink, saving you time and effort. Thanks for watching. Streamline your document creation process with this helpful automation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Word tips.